Hello everyone! Are you wondering what exigender means? Let's explore. Exigender describes a gender that is hard to define or pin down. People who identify as exigender might feel that their gender is elusive, complex, or difficult to articulate using existing terms. This identity reflects the challenge of finding language that accurately captures one's experience of gender, especially when that experience is fluid, ambiguous, or constantly evolving. Exigender acknowledges that some gender identities are not easily categorized or understood within the current frameworks, offering a term for those whose gender is more nuanced or undefined. In essence, being exigender is about having a gender identity that is difficult to define, reflecting the complexity and fluidity of gender experience. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.